Hey everybody, we are going to go over some more earnings setups, and we are going to cover for August 13th pre-market. We have tickers EAT, GLBE, SPNS, and SPRY. Starting with EAT, they are a 3 out of 10. We have them as 2 off the money, so that's going to put the strikes as 145 on the put and 165 on the call. So this is a pretty wide trade setup. That will look like this. What was it? 165, 145. There we go. Next we have GLBE, GLBE. They are rated as a 4 out of 10. 1 off the money for the strike, or we have split the money. For today we're going to have it as a 30 put and a 35 call. Not too bad. We are leaning a little bit more towards the upside, but there's not a whole lot of strikes to choose from. Third, we're going to have SPNS. SPNS is rated a 5 out of 10. You do see there was a large move 2 days before earnings. I'm not a big fan of that, but I still included them. We have their strikes as split the money. So 25 for the put and 30 for the call, given where price is currently at. And actually, now that I'm looking at it, price is at 29.5. I would just call this a 30 put and a 30 call and just make it a straddle instead. Last, we have SPRY. We have them rated as a 4 out of 10, and their strikes are split the money. Today, that's going to make them a 15 on the put and a 17.5 on the call. That will look like this. So that's going to be it for today. That's 10 setups to go over. 6 are post-market, and then 4 of them were pre-market. Not a whole lot to pick from this week, especially today. Earnings season is kind of coming to an end, but we still have a bunch of trades to go over, so I'm going to be picky and choosy with what I upload. Today I was a little bit more riskier. I did include 2 ratings that were 3s. I had, 4 ratings that were 4s, 1, 2, 3 of them were 5s, and I had 1 7. So it's not the best on the ratings, but you can kind of see how they're going to play out when they're rated somewhere down in the middle. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I will be having another 4 posted for August 13th pre-market. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys can learn something from this.